Kids are going back to school, and sellers, they're back in the market. I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. The number of homes for sale in the East Bay during September jumped compared with August and was significantly more compared with last September. Prices increased slightly compared with August, yet are still about $70,000 less than last September. Buyers didn't jump into the market yet. As a result, fewer homes sold compared with the last few months, though slightly more sales compared with last September. Let's go local and start with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale. Check this out. From big cities to unincorporated villages, up almost everywhere. Castro Valley, 54. Oakland, 596. Prices a bit mixed. Berkeley, Castro Valley, Fremont all up slightly, while Oakland, San Lorenzo, Union City all down. Sales also mixed. Big increases in Albany. Berkeley had 55 sales. Fremont and Oakland both down. West Contra Costa County is next. Homes for sale, mostly down. Hercules 16 on the market, San Pablo 17. Richmond is the exception with 107 for sale. Prices mixed. El Cerrito up to 1.275, Richmond down at 635. Sales mixed. El Sobrante 12 sold, that's double from last September. Richmond and San Pablo both way down. Let's check Central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale up everywhere. Big increase in Clayton, 28 for sale. Pleasant Hill up, Walnut Creek 64 for sale. Prices mostly down. Clayton down to 912, Pleasant Hill down 980. Sales mostly down. Clayton only 6. Martinez way down with just 16 sold. Next, we're in La Miranda. Homes for sale up in all three communities. Orinda up 50% with 39 for sale. Prices mixed. Lafayette up to 1.9. Moraga big drop to 1.6. Sales mixed. Big increase in Moraga with 9 sold. Let's go to the Tri-Valley next. Homes for sale up everywhere. Dublin 28 on the market, Pleasant 70, and San Ramon 36 for sale. Prices mostly down. Alamo stands out at 3.1. San Ramon down 9% to 1.6. Sales mixed. Big drop in Danville with 22 sold. Dublin way up, 30 sold. Let's wrap it up in the Delta. Homes for sale up everywhere. Discovery Bay up 100% with 70 for sale. Oakley 80 for sale. Prices mostly up. Antioch 630 and Brentwood 836. Sales mixed. Antioch up, 76 sold. Brentwood down. Last thoughts. More choices meant buyers took their time during September. Average days on market was 26 compared with 18 days last September. Let's see if more choices during September lead to more sales during October. We'll see you next month.